Hey everyone, it's Blue, my magical microwave, and today we have some bright red or pink Play-Doh and some yellow Play-Doh. And I think we're gonna make 4 or 5, let's make 5 different colors of balls. Let's grab some Play-Doh. Let's tear some red Play-Doh off, put it right here. And let's take some yellow Play-Doh. Put it right here. Now we need to make 3 yellow balls and 3 red balls. Here's 1, 2, and let's make a little tiny one like this. There we go. That's kind of tiny. 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 yellow balls. Now let's make 3 red balls. We got 1, 2. Now let's make a gigantic red ball. 3. So we have 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go ahead and put them in Blue and see what he makes for us. Okay, here we go, Blue. I hope they all fit. Put the big one on top. That's funny. Okay, now let's go ahead and cook it. Here we go. Okay, Blue's done. I wonder what he made. It looks kind of big. What is it? We have a pig, and not just any pig. This is HAMM, or Evil Dr. Porkchop from Toy Story. I love Toy Story, and I love all the characters, especially HAMM. He's funny, and he's a giant piggy bank. You see? He has his money. You can get the money out from there, and you put the money in there. Hi, HAMM. It's Dr. Evil Porkchop. Oh, I'm sorry. Look at how cool that is. Man, we made HAMM with just 6 balls, 3 reds and 3 yellows. How cool is that? HAMM's also a pig, and he's a very fun pig. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give us a thumbs up or a like, and make sure to subscribe for more fun videos each week. Bye. Goodbye, HAMM. It's Dr. Evil Porkchop. Oh, sorry. Bye.